Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to add an email address in WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to add email address in WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after opening your WhatsApp on your phone, guys, at the top right corner of the screen on this interface, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon and tap on the settings option available for us over here. And over here again, tap on the account option just above the privacy and tap on the email address which is just below the pass keys over here, guys. Now in order to proceed from over here, again tap on the add email button at the bottom of the screen, and over here you'll be required to enter the email address of your account, whichever may it be. And after entering your email address, guys, you can see tap on the next button over here, and on the next step a verification code will be sent to this email, and you'll be required to enter that verification code to on over here on WhatsApp. And after the verification code matches which are sent to you on your email by WhatsApp, you will have added your email address over here on WhatsApp. And with that being said, guys, this is how to add an email address in WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.